Like I did mention in my remarks, this will be the new kid in town. All EV vehicles will now be green, registered in green number plates. So, Ambassador, I don't know whether you'll continue being on red, or let's get this BMW from Germany and we give you these green number plates. So we're launching the green number plates for all e-vehicles going forward. This will be the signature for those of us who are supporting reducing the carbon footprint, and I want to encourage those of us who are participating in the national policy launch today, e-mobility launch, Banagajwang, you need to be on this registration number plate. When you go to Parliament, Engineer who, I see Engineer, yeah, this will be the way to arrive in Parliament. You need to be green. So how do we launch this, Bwana PS?
Thank you very much.